This basic backwards roll shapes our roll with the Hanbo. From Hiza no Kamae, shift back onto the seat and roll over one shoulder, using the opposite hand as a brace below the cheek. Practice also from standing, rising into a balanced Kamae. Use the way you rise out of the roll to adjust and control distance. With a Hanbo, let go of the Hanbo with one hand as you lower the weight and contact the ground. Hold the Hanbo on the opposite side of the body from the shoulder you roll over, and rise into Seigan no Kamae or a similar posture. Practice from high and low Hiza, and from walking backwards. This basic forward roll shapes our two forward rolls with the Hanbo. Receive the ground with the forearm on the same side you were rolling over, and rise into a balanced Kamae. When practicing from standing, lower the weight toward the ground before entering the roll. For the first forward roll, let go of the Hanbo with one hand, holding the Hanbo on the same side of the body as the shoulder you are rolling over. For the second forward roll, hold the Hanbo in both hands, turning the Hanbo vertically as you enter the roll. Slide the hand to the end of the Hanbo as you enter the roll, and rise into a balanced Kamae. Our sideways rolls are informed by our forward rolls. For a sideways roll, keep your gaze on a target ahead of you and open your Kamae to the side. Roll sideways and rise facing the target. Maintaining the chest and eyes in a forward position toward the target is part of what turns a forward roll into this sideways roll. When practicing from standing, remember to lower the weight before entering the roll. You may also exit this roll facing the direction of travel. For the first sideways roll with a Hanbo, release the Hanbo with one hand and roll sideways, holding the Hanbo on the same side of the body as the shoulder you rolled over, and rise into Seigan no Kamae or a similar posture. For the second sideways roll with a Hanbo, hold the Hanbo in both hands, turning the Hanbo vertical to create the brace and pivot point of the roll. Using this sideways roll, you can rise facing the target or turn as you exit the roll to face the direction you rolled in. Play with the timing of strikes and the shape of your Kamae as you exit this roll.